Hazrat Sayyid bin Jubair has reported from Hazrat Ibn Abbas radiyallahu anhu that the words, "And neither offer your prayer with loud voice nor with low voice, and seek a way in between." Banu Israel verse 110 was revealed when Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam was living secretly in Makkah Mukarramah, and when he sallallahu alaihi wasallam would raise his pitch and the polytheists hearing it would revile the Quran, the one who descended it and the one who brought it. Allah Jalla Jalaluhu whereupon said, "And neither offer your prayer with loud voice nor with low voice, and seek a way in between." Don't offer the prayer with so loud voice lest the polytheists hear it, nor offer it with so low voice that even your companions could not hear it. Rather seek a way in between. Make them hear but not in a loud voice, so that they should learn the Quran from you. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 7490.